Bonjour à tous, welcome to my channel French with Deepika. This is part 9 of lesson 4, so let's get started. This is part 9 of lesson 4, Kalu et malade, and we will be doing some exercises. Is associer un problème à une solution. Associer means associate. Associate a problem and a solution. Okay, so towards this, these are all the problems and this side is the solution. Okay, these are the solutions. Okay, so we basically have to match the problem with the solution. Okay, so first is j'ai faim. J'ai faim means I am hungry. Faim is hungry, to be hungry. Okay, j'ai faim. So the solutions are il prend une aspirine, il va chez la médecin, il mange de la glace, elle va dormir, je mange une pomme, il applique une pommade, ils boivent de l'eau, ils portent un chandail. Okay, so if I am hungry, obviously I am going to eat something. Okay, so one is il mange de la glace. Glace is ice cream. Okay, another one which is related to eating is je mange une pomme. Une pomme is an apple. An apple. Okay, both the solutions are related to eating, but if you see properly, the pronoun here I have used is je and there it is il and then je. So basically we are going to match this with this. Okay, pronoun has to be same. So j'ai faim, je mange une pomme. Okay, so if I am hungry, I am going to eat an apple. Okay, second is il a mal à la tête. Tête is head. So he has a headache. He has a headache. So il prend une aspirin. Aspirin is aspirin, medicine. Aspirin. Okay. Or il va chez la médecin, or anything which is related to a third person singular. Il. Another one is il applique une pommade. Pommade is ointment. So if he has a headache, he is going to apply the ointment. Il boive de l'eau. No, il porte a chandail. Chandail is a sweater. So this we are obviously going to discard it. It could be anything. Il prendre une aspirine, il va chez la médecin, or il applique une pommade. Okay. So leave second over here only. Move to third. Elle a sommeil. Sommeil is she is feeling sleepy. So if she is feeling sleepy, she is going to dormir, which is to sleep. Okay. And if you see the pronoun here, it is elle and there is no other L. So this is the correct match. Okay, so third, il a sommeil, so she is going to sleep. Elle va dormir. Okay, third is left, remember. Next is il a mal au dos. Il a mal au dos. Do is back. So his back hurts. So if his back is hurting, is he going to take the aspirin? Or he is going to go to the doctor, or he will apply an ointment. Obviously aspirin we don't take when we have a backache. Either he can go to médecin or he is going to apply the ointment. So he is going to apply the ointment. So this is fourth. Okay, Mark a froid. Mark a froid, it means Mark is cold or he is feeling cold. So if he is feeling cold, he is going to wear a sweater. Il porte a chandail. Okay, so this is number 5. Ils ont soif. Soif is thirsty. Okay, so they are thirsty. So if they are thirsty, when you are thirsty, you are going to drink water. So this is the one. Ils boivent de l'eau. L'eau. O is water. Okay. Ils ont soif. Ils boivent de l'eau. So this is your sixth. Seventh is ils ont chaud. Ils ont chaud means they are hot or they are feeling hot. So if they are feeling hot, this is done, this is done, this is so these are all done. We are left with these three. Il prend une aspirine, il va chez le médecin, il mange de la glace. So they, if you see the pronoun, they are, it is matching il. So il mange de la glace, they are going to eat the ice cream. So this is your seventh. Okay. Next is last, Gaston a mal au ventre. Ventre is stomach. Okay. Gaston a mal au ventre. He has a stomach ache. Now we are left with second also. Il a mal à la tête. Okay. He has a headache and Gaston has a stomach ache. So now which one is going to be with il a mal à la tête? So basically when we have a headache, we take the aspirin, right? So aspirin is the second one. And if he has a stomach ache, he is going to go to the médecin, doctor. Il va chez la médecin. This is your aid, right? So j'ai faim, je mange une pomme. Okay, first. Il a mal à la tête, il prend une aspirine. Elle a sommeil, elle va dormir. Il a mal au dos, il applique une pommade. This is fourth. Marc a froid, il porte un chandail. He is going to wear a sweater. Ils ont soif, they are thirsty. Ils boivent de l'eau, they drink the water. Ils ont chaud, ils mangent de la glace, they eat the ice cream. Last is Gaston a mal au ventre, he has a stomach ache. Il va chez la médecin, he will go to the doctor. Okay. Now second exercise is compléter avec les verbes donnés. Okay, so you have to complete the blanks with the given verbs. Okay, so in the brackets we have our verbs. First is l'élève. In brackets it is ne pas comprendre le poème. Okay, so if ne pas is given, that means we have to make this in negative. Okay, so l'élève, ne will come first. Comprend, we have to conjugate with third person singular. Just comprend and then pas. So l'élève ne comprend pas le poème. The student doesn't understand the poem. Okay. Second is il, which is third person plural. Il. Then s'appelait les Dubois. Dubois is the surname. Okay. So with S apostrophe verb is this verb is your pronominal. Okay. So with il, again we have to put S. So s'appelle. So il s'appelle les Dubois. They are called the Dubois. Okay, Dubois is the surname. They are called the Dubois. Third is Monique et Marie. Monique et Marie. So these are the two names. So it is basically third person plural. Monique et Marie, then venir de l'école. So we have to conjugate venir with third person plural. So it will be VN. Double N O N T. Monique et Marie viennent de l'école. So Monique and Marie are coming from the school. They are coming from the school. Okay. Fourth is nous, then sortir à 7 heures. So sortir and with conjugation of with nous it will be sortons. ONS. So nous sortons à 7 heures. We are going to leave at 7 o'clock. Okay, we are going to leave at 7 o'clock. Got it? This mon père est triste parce qu'il grossir. So, mon père, it's my father is sad. Triste is sad. He is sad parce que. Parce que is because. Because he is grossir is fat. Because he is fat. My father is sad because he is fat. So it will be grossy. Okay. Pair A3 parce qu'il grossit. Okay. Next sixth is je and in bracket it is ne pas désobéir en classe. So désobéir means to disobey. Disobey. So je ne désobéis. Accent will come. Accent aigu will come. Okay. So je ne désobéis pas en classe. I do not disobey in class. Okay. Je ne désobéis pas en classe. Okay. Seventh is nous offrir des bonbons aux enfants. Bonbon is candies. Offrir is to give, to offer. Okay, offrir is to offer. So with nous, it will be offrons. Offrons des bonbons aux enfants. We offer the candies to the children. Okay. Okay, now eighth is il. In brackets it is prendre, which is to take. Du te, te is tea. Okay. So with il, which is your third person plural, it will be pren. Il, double N, O N te. Il pren du te. They are having tea. They are having tea. Okay. Ninth is vous. Then dire bonjour au professeur. Dire is to say. So with vous it will be dites. Vous dites bonjour au professeur. You say hello or good morning to the professor. Okay, vous dites bonjour au professeur. Last 10th is elle. Écrire is to write. Une lettre is letter. So elle écrit. Elle écrit une lettre. She writes a letter. Okay, elle écrit une lettre. So that's it for today. We'll continue with the same chapter in the next video. Like, share, hit subscribe. Till then, bonne journée. Au revoir.